Sup, yo?
Yo, the wall.
Shizzle. I'm gonna text Brian.
Cool. No one knows who Ryan is because he's a loser. Just kidding.
Wait, I want to pick one.
That was
Depressed.
Man.
So depressed.
Suicide. I was thinking about
excited.
jumping off the Twin Towers. Oh yeah, I never did excited. Oh boy, I can't wait to go Eel-Chiz! I can't wait! Yay! Eel-Chiz!
Let's do, Ducky.